Good morning. Very good morning. Good morning. Yes, I'm back with another tip. Day 8. This is a place where we heal IBS naturally. So, this is tip day 8. So, while dealing with IBS, I found out a unique solution to this problem, and that solution I'm going to tell you today. It is about energizing the water intake which we take every day, because we all know that 70% of human body is water. So it's very important that the water which we take in our body is very energized. Now, how you can do that? People these days are everybody is using ROs, and like RO is considered to be a necessity of, or water purifiers are considered to be a necessity of this current era. But what added step can be done to even more energize or purify your water which you intake is by using this bronze bottles and bronze jugs. So what you can do is that you, whenever you go to sleep, you can fill this bronze bottles and bronze jug, and that will help you to to take the water which is really pure. Because I tell you why. Over whole night, bronze has very special properties which makes it completely bacteria free and energizes or purifies the level of water automatically. It's the property of this bronze metal which, which can be used here. And you can, once you wake up in the morning, you can start drinking this bronze intensified water, and this is absolutely good for your stomach. Scientific research has shown this fact already, that water taken from a bronze bottle which is stored in a night is having amazing healing benefits to the immune system. And your immune system is healthy, then your gut will be automatically healthy. So this is one of the very important techniques which I found out to be helpful, and I have been practicing it for 3 4 years. Now, what additional steps we can take? We can have 2 3 bronze bottles or jugs, and we can fill them in night, and so that whole day, whenever we have water need to drink, we need to drink water, we can always use these containers which are made up of bronze for having the the good quality water getting inside into us. People use purifiers, but you see that because purifiers are filled with water and every day, and purity is like we are just depending upon these water purifiers, and those things are not cleared every day. So it happens like, because these uh, purifiers are filled every day and they are never cleaned, so they have already a lot of bacteria growth in themselves which is never getting cleaned. We uh, purchase purifiers, but we hardly take care that they are getting cleaned once in a 6 months or in a year. We have the tendency till the our purifier is not complaining via some indication that this level 1 or level 2 purifier is now completely exhausted and you need to change. No person bothers about cleaning the water purifier. There are certain kind of purifiers available in market, but that requires cleaning once in a 3 month. But most of the people are ignoring that. I know this. I myself has been doing this from long time. I was provided one bottle which was costing 200 250 rupees, and what I need to do is like I have to fill it, few pour in some drops of water, drops of that purifier, 2 3 drops, and then keep it there for maybe half an hour, and then remove all the water purifier water, so that will clean it. But I hardly do it because we are so dependent in our day to day life on water purifier, we do not get time. It's only when we go out and our water purifier stops working maybe for 1 2 3 weeks, then only we try to care of that. And you know that in corona times people are not traveling in such long durations, so it has become norms, kind of a norm, that people are using water purifier but they are never cleaning it. So it is having lots and lots of bacteria into it, which is going into our stomach in the morning first thing, and that is creating more problems.